If you're looking to design eye-catching headers for Mailchimp, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create headers that not only grab attention, but also improve the look and feel of your emails. Now, you can do this for free by using Mailchimp, and I'll tell you how in a second. Stay tuned for some exclusive bonuses that will help you get started right away. First off, when designing headers for Mailchimp, you want to think about clarity and simplicity. Avoid overcomplicating things, keep it clean and straightforward. Headers should highlight your main message clearly and stand out, but they shouldn't feel too busy or cluttered. A good rule of thumb is to use bold fonts for the main part of your header, but leave plenty of space around the text so it feels balanced and easy to read. Next, make sure your header matches your brand style. Consistency is key. If your emails have a particular color scheme or font style, stick to it. Mailchimp lets you easily upload custom logos or set up your brand's color palette so everything looks cohesive. This consistency helps build trust with your audience and makes your emails look more professional. The third thing to consider is contrast. To make sure your header really pops, use contrasting colors. If your background is dark, opt for light colored text and vice versa. This will make your header stand out and grab attention right away. Just be careful not to go too bold with the contrast. Ensure it still aligns with your brand and doesn't hurt the overall readability. The fourth thing is using high-quality images. When designing headers, an image can help set the tone and provide context to your message. Choose images that are high resolution and relevant to the content of your email. Mailchimp allows you to easily add images and adjust them to fit your header, so don't hesitate to use visuals to enhance your design. Next, keep your text short and sweet. Mailchimp emails are often scanned quickly by readers, so make sure your header conveys your message in just a few words. If you're promoting a sale, for example, use direct language like 50% off this week only. Make it clear what you're offering so people know exactly what to expect when they open your email. Lastly, test your headers. Mailchimp offers A/B testing features that let you experiment with different designs to see what resonates best with your audience. You can test variations of your headers with different fonts, colors, and layouts, which will help you understand what drives the most engagement. So, to sum up, when designing eye-catching headers for Mailchimp, focus on simplicity, consistency with your brand, contrast, quality images, concise messaging, and testing. And as promised, you can start using Mailchimp for free. Check out the link in the description for an exclusive extended free trial. It's the perfect way to get started with designing headers that make a real impact in your emails. Remember, it's not just about having a header that looks good. It's about making sure your audience is excited to click and read your message. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.